The wrong loan officer can cost you your dream home. In this video, I reveal the red flags to spot and the exact questions to ask to find a lender who will fight for you. From ghosting to hidden fees, I'm exposing the secrets you can buy your home with confidence. You could lose your dream home, not because you couldn't afford it, but because the wrong loan officer didn't fight for you. And most buyers don't even realize it until it's too late. Here's the harsh truth. Most loan officers will ghost you the second they see anything less than a perfect file. But today, I'm revealing how to spot the good ones, the ones who will actually get you the keys. Hi. I'm Lamaria Wall, a realtor, multifamily investor, and accountant who helps clients who make data-driven decisions. Whether they're relocating or investing, I live and breathe this stuff in both Dallas and Minneapolis. So let's break down the truth about loan officers and how they could be holding you back. Have you ever applied for a mortgage and suddenly silence? No calls, no updates, just stress and confusion. That is no accident. Some loan officers only want the easy deals, perfect credit, perfect W-2 income. The second your file looks complex, they disappear and have you hanging. So here's your first test. Before you even give them your credit information, ask them how they typically handle clients with scores under 700. If they hesitate or dismiss you, that is a serious red flag. In fact, one of my clients went through this exact nightmare. Their first loan officer ghosted them because their situation was not simple. But we didn't quit. I connected them with one of my trusted lenders who actually thought strategically. 2 weeks later, approved. Today, they're holding the keys to their dream home. The difference was a loan officer who was problem solver, not a paper pusher. So, how do you avoid this? Beyond the ghosting test, look for these other key green flags. The first is clear communication. Do they give you real numbers and fees up front? Do those numbers stay consistent through closing? A great loan officer will respect your time and give you the full transparency. If they suddenly change your interest rate at closing costs, that is a sign to move on. This next one is huge, especially if you're self-employed or a real estate investor. Most loan officers are not solution-oriented. They just react to what the underwriting says. A great loan officer will explain your debt-to-income ratio and how to make it work. They'll explore multiple loan products if you don't fit in this one box. If they say, sorry, you don't qualify, without giving you steps to get there, you just met a bad loan officer. This all comes down to the right questions. Before you ever hand over your credit information, ask these three. 1. How do you handle clients with non-traditional income, like self-employed or investors? 2. What advice do you give if my credit isn't perfect yet? 3. How often will you communicate during this process? A great loan officer will have clear, confident answers. If they hesitate, that is your red flag. Now, after all of that, you might be asking, how do I even find one of these people? Well, let me tell you why my clients never have to stress about this. I only work with 4 clients at a time. That's it. When you're buying a home, you deserve someone who treats your purchase like it's the only one on their desk. That focus changes everything. And it's why my clients don't just buy homes, they win even in tough situations. The right loan officer isn't a luxury. It's the difference between closing your dream home and losing it. Just know, I only take 4 clients at a time, and when my spots are full, they're gone. If you're ready to win, DM me on Instagram or click the link in my bio to see if one of my spots are still open. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.